Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pick cherries, ensuring that you get the sweetest, ripest fruit without damaging the tree. Let's get started. So we have this cherry tree in our garden, and some of the cherries, as you can see, they're ripe and some of them are not ripe. And I've been fighting with the birds. They've been coming around and eating all the cherries. So that's why I'm trying to pick them as much as I can before the birds finish them. You can use as secateurs to harvest your cherries, or you can hand pick them like the way I'm doing here. And on this video, I'll be using my hands to pick the cherries. Here are a few tips you need to know when it comes to harvesting your cherries or picking cherries. Make sure that you look for the cherries that are deep in color, and depending on the type or variety of cherries you have, some come in red or purple or black, so make sure they're in that color, and they're plump and they're firm, and those will taste really nice. As I mentioned earlier on, I'm harvesting some of the cherries. They're not really ripe. After I've harvested them, I'm going to leave them for some time for them to ripen. But because I've got a lot of birds are coming to my garden and they end up eating them, so I just have to have something for myself. So that's why I'm kind of harvesting them at this point. Since some of the cherries are not really ripe, I cannot pull the cherries out in the right way, so I have to harvest them with the stem still attached. But if your cherries are ripe, you just need to support the fruit and lift it straight off the stem, and not instead of yanking or pulling like the way I'm doing now. But because mine are not ripe, that's why I have to use that technique. And if your cherries are high up, you can use a ladder or a cherry picking pole to help you pick them properly. There's so many benefits associated with cherries, and they're rich in nutrients, they're high in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, they support the heart health, they can also help in managing weight, they promote skin health, and they also aid in exercise recovery and also can enhance your sleep quality. So do make sure you eat them as they're good for you. Here in UK, the best time to harvest your cherries is late May throughout July. So as you can see, these are the cherries that I've picked, and they're not really ripe, as I've said. I've had to harvest them now as I won't have had anything to eat because the birds have been eating them. If you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, because that will help me a lot to know the kind of content that you guys like, so I can be able to make more videos based on that type of content. So I left the cherries for less than 1 week for them to ripen and to be ready to be eaten. And this is how they turned out. And they were really sweet and they were really juicy and tasty. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.